Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to receive money from Sendwave. So what I want you to do is just tell your sender to either sign up for a Sendwave account. You can log in with Google or Apple. And then when they come right here to send money to, just explain to them to add a recipient and just enter the amount they want to send, choose the currency. So for the recipient, make sure they choose the correct payment method depending on the country they choose. For example, if they choose Philippines, of course, GCash is available there. You can choose a bank account, or every other country does have cash pickup recipients or bank accounts. And as well, they need to give your full name, your mobile number. You need to retype your mobile number and give the recipient's address, your city, your town, and street if that is available. Okay, and then they just need to save this details. And once they send the money, okay, to you, then you'll actually receive an SMS notification with the code and details of the transaction. And if it was with a bank account, you'll receive a notification from Sendwave via SMS or email confirming the transfer. And if it's a cash pickup, they'll give you a reference number and instructions on where to collect the cash. And you will need to provide proof of ID and also their transaction reference number that they need to provide you. Okay, then you can go ahead and receive that money. So, hope you found this helpful. It's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.